So we could smell a bit of gas in our front room, and I thought I'll check this out with my father, who knows better than me in these things. Now all we did first was to check the restrictor if there was any gas leak from there. So we mixed dish soap and water together and applied it on top of the restrictor.
And when there's a bit foamy, then you put it on top.
And we did see some bubbles popping, which means the gas leak was coming from there and there was a fault.
Yeah, I show you. Still it'll be, now it'll be leaking there. See, that's called gas leak.
So we opened up the top nut and we come to know that the washer was damaged and needs replacing. The washer and the top nut will merely cost a few pounds to replace. Inside the restrictor there is a valve screw. Make sure it's upon that level, not too below or above.
We just right left hand.
Where's that washer meant to be showing?
Yeah. No, sometimes they don't show, sometimes they show.
Make sure it's fully tight by using a flat screwdriver. Apply the foam again and make sure no bubbles are appearing while checking around the restrictor. Always carry out this task by a gas engineer. That's the fault fixed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.